My name is Dr. Daniel Wallersdorfer. I'm the Scientific Director of Pure Genetic Lifestyle, and I would like to take some time to talk you through your online portal, to show you where you can find your results, and most importantly, to help you understand and interpret the results correctly. Now, for the purpose of this video, I have a demo account open and I will show you through it, but you can always open your own account or take the printed booklet. You can pause the video after I've explained something. You can then look at your own results and see what the results are and how to interpret them correctly. Now, if you want to start logging in, you go to puregeneticlifestyle.com and you will find this page here. And then if you click on My Pure, you will come to the login screen. Now you will have to enter your email address and your password to go in here. After clicking login, you will come to our secure server. You will be logged in, and here you have your account settings. Now it starts off with your email address and password. Should you ever want to change your email address or password, you just click here and you are able to change it. You can also change the language settings between different languages by just clicking edit. Then you have the contact information in case you ever should move somewhere else, or if you want to change your address where your supplements, for example, are delivered to, you just click edit and change your address. And down here you would usually find a list of all of your orders. Now, if you click on Profile, you will come to this page, and first you will see your basic details, such as your date of birth and your body height. You can also choose your current body weight and the desired body weight, so the body weight you would like to be at. If this ever changes, you can click on Edit and update your details. Then you can also see additional details, and these are partly calculated for you and partly the information that you gave when you first ordered this test. First is the basic metabolic rate without sport, which essentially is the amount of calories that your body requires to maintain its body weight if you don't count the extra exercise that you do. And this is usually calculated with a formula. And this here is the formula. You can see it when you hover over the information button. This is only in case you're interested. You don't have to dive into the maths. It is automatically calculated for you. The level of daily physical activity, excluding sports, this is always excluding the extra exercise that you do, is important for us to calculate certain things. Light means that you have an office job, you only sit most of the day, and you don't do a lot of physical movement or physical activity during your occupation. And it goes all the way up to very high, where you move around a lot, you carry heavy things, and you're very active throughout the day. Then you had the choice of choosing what kind of foods you want to avoid, partly because of allergies, partly because you simply do not like these types of food. You can also define what sort of illnesses you have been diagnosed with suffering from, and also your smoking status. Again, by clicking edit, you can change these values. Otherwise, you just see what kind of details you gave when you first ordered the test. And then if we click on Insights, you will see the 3 different sections, and these are actually your genetic results as well as your personalized genetic program. You will see the medical field, which is all about diseases, predicting disease risks and preventing these diseases. And we've got nutrition, which is all about healthy nutrition called nutrigenetics, and weight management, how to manage your weight, reduce your weight, or in case you want to even gain weight effectively. And the food list, which is a list of lots of different types of food, and each one of them is evaluated for you based on your genetic profile. When clicking on medical, you will come to this section, and you will see a lot of different sections, and each one of them is called sensor. And each sensor focuses on one specific disease risk and prevention. So for example, this section here is for prostate cancer, and prostate hyperplasia. This is for men. Women will have breast health or breast cancer in this section. Now, what you also can see is how big your risk and how much action you need to take in this area. So for example, in this case, this person has an increased risk of prostate cancer, and so this person really should take action to prevent the disease. And in the case of the thrombosensor, which is all about blood clots and thrombosis, the risk is normal, so there's no action required. You can always still look through these sections. You will find some general prevention advice for what you can do in this area, but you really should focus on the ones that have the largest bars, because this means that you have the highest risk in these areas.